Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video. Today I'm going to be trying out this product here. This is a key light, or keyhole light. When I get home at night like it is now, and no one has left the carport light on, it's really hard for me to find my key and see. I'll show you what I mean in just a second here. So I have to kind of get the key already out while I'm in my car. And let me show you the situation. So here's what it looks like without the light from my phone, which is what I have to use. A lot of times I'll get the mail before I come in, so I'll have the mail in one hand, the keys in one hand. I'll have to have my light from my phone. So we're going to try this little keyhole light out, and hopefully it'll come in handy. So I'll show you that in just a minute here. Here's a look at the light we're going to be trying to install on the door today. Auto PiR, I believe that stands for pyroelectric infrared keyhole LED light. It is very small. Here's some features: LED light movement detection. Now I'll go over that later. Built-in light sensor, automatic on-off, over, long, standby. Places you may want to put this: keyhole, kitchen, hallway, stairway, safe cabinet. Some of the specs: super wide LED, 100,000 hours of life, sensor sensitivity angle 60 degrees, sensor sensitivity distance 3 meters, power is 1, AA battery not included, weighs 55 grams, operating temperature 5 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. Let's open it up, take a look at it. Instructions: we've got some double-sided tape here, which is what I'm going to be using to mount this. You can also use screws, it looks like here. I think I'll try to use the double backing tape. It is pretty light. Alright, so this backing plate, just lift it up and off. That's where we put the battery, the AA battery. I think you want to use a new one if you could possibly do that. Got the on-off button here. Again, here's the backing plate.
Hi. How are
I think the tape will go right in here and then on the door. Don't really want to put screws in the door. Here we go. Auto PiR, or PiR keyhole light. Use pyroelectric infrared radial sensor technology. You can read that if you want to. Do not put the product on face to glass, door, or glazing, or the temperature varied place. I'll kind of explain that later. Got our AA battery. Going to go ahead and insert it into the light. Okay, it is in the on position. It's not lighting. I think I've got it in there the right way. So going over the instructions just a little bit, there's some troubleshooting here. So if the light does not come on, say you're outside in the sunlight, it may not come on if it's too bright. Now, I did get the light to come on just right after I cut the video. Battery was in place. You know, everything's working okay. I'm in a room here where it's not so bright. It's not even as bright as it is outside. Kind of a darkened room. And I've set the light over there on that heater there on the top where my finger's at. It's off, as you can see. So I'm going to move towards it, and it should come on when it senses the heat from my body. There we go. So yeah, that's working just fine. Now If it's blinking, that means that battery is getting low or needs to be replaced. So it picks up the energy or the heat from, a person or an animal, and that's what gives it the energy or the activation of the battery charge to the bulb there. Okay, so I'll walk away. There is a time on it where it will turn off eventually. So there we go. Let's go back again towards it. There we go. So it's working fine. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this on the door, and then we'll take a look at it again later. Okay, so it went off. It doesn't take a long time to open the door, so as I get closer it turns back on. So yeah, any new heat sensed from the light will make it come on. So yeah, let's go outside. Okay, just peeled that off. I'm going to put it in place on the base. So I just need to peel this off here. That's going to take a second. I do have it turned on. I'm going to go ahead and close it up. So all we need to do is just stick it on the door where we want it to be. Something it was saying in the instructions, if you put it on a glass door, facing a glass door, like if you were to put it here with the glass door closed, I don't think it works so well. I think what would happen if you would, first it wouldn't detect you when you walked up, it wouldn't be able to sense the heat. And when you open it like that, you may have to stand here for a while, move probably back and forth before it actually picks you up. So I think that's kind of what they were saying here. Also, it was saying something about don't put it in your television monitor, computer monitor. Anyway, you can read the instructions for more details on that. Let's go ahead and go to the door that I really need it on. So here's the door we're going to put it at. This is the one you saw me last night. Thinking like just 2, maybe 3 inches right above here. And just center it on the door, be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that backing off. Beforehand, I cleaned here with some alcohol, made sure that's clean and dry. I think we should be good right there. I want to kind of make sure that when you put it on, you don't have to take it back off. It does seem to be really sticky. It was pretty hard to get this off. So as light as it is, we should be good here. So I'll check back tonight, and we'll see if it's going to work for me at all. Just pulled up. Going to try out the key light for the first time, a real life situation. Oh, that's beautiful, beautiful. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, have a great day out there. Take care.